Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Antimalware Executable High Disk Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Anti-Malware Service Executable Error Windows 1's consumes a lot of RAM from Policy Editor. To start, in the search box, enter the command gpedit.msc. Click on the console. After that, click on Administrative Templates and Computer Configuration, then select Windows Components and finally open Microsoft Defender Antivirus. After this, double-click on the policy, turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. You are going to activate the disabled box and then click Apply and OK. Chapter 2. How to fix Anti-Malware Service Executable Error Windows once consumes a lot of RAM from Windows Security. To get started, enter Security in the search box. Click on Windows Security. When you do, go to the section Virus and Threat Protection. Now click on Manage Settings. Here at the bottom, click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Yes to access. First, click on Add an Exclusion and now select File. In the window that opens, go to the Windows Defender folder located under Program Files. Here, select the MSMPEG file. Click on Open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, click again on Add an Exclusion, but this time choose the File Type option. Now copy or paste the file name we used earlier. Click Add. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.